Rabbit Closer gives you the ability to add colored flags to each of your leads, as well as to assign leads to a specific team member, both of which are then displayed on the lead dashboard. This lets your team quickly identify which leads are assigned to them and to know something about that lead based on the flag color. For example, some insurance agencies designate a certain color flag to be homeowners leads and another to auto leads, while other agencies use the flags to distinguish high value versus low value leads. To add a flag to a lead and to assign it to a specific team member, click on the lead. On the lead details page, you'll see the fields Rabbit Closer Flag Color and Lead Owner. To select the flag color, click the pencil and select a color from the drop-down options. And to select a lead owner, select from the drop-down options. To add a new team member, click New Lead Owner, type in the person's name, and click Save. Then save your changes. You'll see the updated name and flag color on the lead dashboard.